Up next, let's change out an oil cooler. All nice and shiny and new. I like using a new Ford oil cooler. Step one, grab your housing, remove all the bolts, all the torque spit bolts out from the top. So you're going to pull your covers off the top, and then you have two 13mm nuts and bolts. Pull those out, the two nuts on the top side, the two bolts on the bottom side. And then I usually just take a couple of short 2x4s to lay under here, but can't seem to find them anywhere. So we're going to use some sockets and just elevate the housing some. And then you take a 19mm socket here and no bounce beating stick, and just tap the old oil cooler out of this housing. Just like that. Now we'll get our housings cleaned up, get O-rings out, all sorted out. You're going to have 4 fat ones, 2 each of different size. Those will go on the oil cooler here. The bigger one is going to go on the bottom. Smaller diameter goes on top of it. And then these 2 big skinny ones, they'll go back inside of here on the bottom side of the housing. Got one little one there. Some pickups have this piece you can remove out of here. Some don't. Just if you do, you can change out that O-ring. You're going to want to grab yourself some lube here. Get everything nice and slicked up. Get the 4 oil cooler bolts torqued into the housing, 25 foot-pounds. It's a free country. You use whatever parts you want. But just an FYI, it seems like cheaper gaskets like Felpro and I don't know, whoever else, anyone aftermarket, it seems like these base plate oil cooler gaskets always start to leak after a year. And you got to pull the intake off, all that jazz. We kind of went through most of it. It's not an easy job just to do an oil cooler for a leaky gasket. So that's why I use Ford gaskets. Thanks everyone for watching. If you found any value in this video, please go subscribe to the channel and leave a like or a comment. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help me for helping you. Or if you think the video sucked, leave a comment on what I should do different. These videos are made with the intentions of helping you, so let me know what I need to do better. Also, if you have ideas for what I should work on next, email details to jackdiesel24@gmail.com. Thanks again for watching. Jack Diesel. Now get out there and build something.